Lily was spazzing out, so I had to get a video of her. And then she quit spazzing out. You're nuts, my dear. You're nuts, man. Jack's just sitting there playing with his blocks. That's how you do it all over in this house. Oh, there you go. Oh, he's not going to be happy. I'm going to see how this relationship's going to develop. Oh. You're going to help your #1 engine. You nuts girl. Okay.